Hello everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, hit the subscribe button right now. So this is a workout that I've been wanting to do for a long time now. It is going to be a beginner abs session. So if you have just started fitness, or maybe you're getting back into fitness, this is a great one to really think about that abdominal connection and give you some basic abdominal exercises. Let's get started straight into our beginner ab workout. First of all, you're going to bring yourself all the way down towards your mat. We're going straight away in towards a plank prep position. Hands underneath the shoulders, eye line to the floor, knees underneath the hips, the elbows are nice and straight. Now tuck the toes underneath. You're going to lift your knees just a little tiny bit away from the floor. Now right now, pull your belly button up to the spine. Imagine closing your ribs together, and you should feel this in the abdominals. If you feel it in your lower spine, you need to maybe pull the middle of the back up to the ceiling and really scoop the navel up. Now from here, you can either stay here or tap the knees, lift the knees. If you want to make it a little bit harder, we go tap the knees, lift up, tap, and lift. So you've got one straight gorgeous line from the crown of your head down to your hips. Tap, then lift. Keep going. It is a tiny movement and you should start to feel it through the abdominals. Tap, then lift. 6, up. You've got it. 5, lift the knees. 4, and lift. 3, then we're going to freeze. 2, lift. Last one. Now hold the knees off the floor. Again, you've got a straight line from the crown of your head all the way down towards your tailbone. Now keep scooping the navel all the way up and in. Press the middle of the back up to the ceiling. Find strength in your stillness here. You've got 10, 9, 8 seconds, 7, 6, you've got 5, well done, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the knees down. Hands come back underneath the shoulders. Now walk the knees backwards, incline the body forwards. So again, you've got one straight line, crown of the head, down to your knees. If you're feeling super modified today, stay right here. If you're feeling a little bit stronger, you're going to take the toes, tuck them under, lift the knees up and away from the floor. Your eye line comes back down towards the floor. Little top tip here. To feel the engagement deeper in your abs, you're going to squeeze your glutes together and squeeze your inner thighs together, and it will make that connection so much deeper. Inhale in, stick with me. Exhale, remember that modification. You want the fleshy part of your knees. From here, you're going to squeeze. Right knee, push. Modification, just go back to that plank hold position. Squeeze, press. Breathe, inhale, exhale. In, then press. You've got it. Squeeze and push. As you hug the knee to the chest, really try to switch on those abs. Go squeeze, push. 5, press. Nice. Go 4, push. You've got 3 to hold here. 2, last one now. Keep the feet pushed backwards. Shoulders are over the top of the wrists. Then you're going to lower onto one forearm. You're going to lower onto your other forearm. Remember, you can still be on your knees here on the fleshy part of your knees. If you're sticking with me for that tough workout, breathe in, breathe out, exhale, squeeze that navel in again. Can you re-pull your glutes together, inner thighs together here too? Make everything gorgeously straight here. And you've got a little bit of stillness for 10, for 9, for 8. We're going to go child's pose in 6. You've got to go 5, 4, push back in 3, 2, 1. Well done. Quick breather here, toes together. Push the hips backwards. Inhale in. Exhale away. Coming back in towards your forearm plank. Bring both the forearms down, number 11 with the arms. Now you can either walk backwards. This is your modified position here. Straight line, crown of the head down towards your knees. Or option, tuck the toes under. You're going to lift the knees up and away. Now really squeeze that navel in again. Eye line to the floor, hold here. If you are up here with me, right knee taps, lift. Left knee taps, lift. If you're down on your knees, hold complete stillness, squeeze the belly button in, close the ribs together, try to get that abdominal core connection here. We go tap the knee, lift, tap, lift. You are done with your forearm planks in 8 knee taps. You've got it. 7, lift the knees, keep going. 6, I'm right here with you. 5, lift the knee. 4, lift, squeeze glutes. 3, squeeze. 2, whoo, squeeze, last one, well done. Push the hips backwards, reach the hands forwards, and then roll yourself all the way up in towards your next set. I want you to lay all the way down on your back. You're going to bring yourself so your hands come around your hips. You're going to pull the belly button again down to the spine, close the ribs together, push the palms to the floor. Lift your right leg up to a tabletop. Then go ahead, lift your left leg all the way up. Now you're going to bring your inner thighs together. Your knees here are over the top of your hips. If you can feel it in the lumbar spine, you might have your legs too further out. If you can't feel it all, you've got your knees too far in. So just think about those legs being a 90-degree angle. Hold here. Even though we're not moving, it should burn. You should feel that core engagement. Now try, imagine, visualize your ribs coming together. Imagine pulling yourself up in a corset, really, really super tight. Pull the ribbons at the back. Keep pressing the palms to the floor, breathing in. Breathe in, exhale away. Stay right there. Really do not let that lumbar spine arch. If you can feel it in the lower spine, you need to push that upper spine into the floor, and there should just be a tiny miniature gap in your lower spine. Slowly bring your right toe down, tap the floor, lift all the way back up again. Left toe now, all the way down, tap, squeeze, lift and press. You're pushing your palms into the floor for support. Tap, squeeze up and lift. Every time the leg comes back up, you're coming back into that 90-degree angle. Inhale, whoo, exhale all the way down. Lift it back up. Squeeze, lift it back up. Keep going all the way down. Squeeze, lift it back up. You've got 7 more of these to go. Lift it back up. Keep going. 6, nice and slow. Stick with me. Lift it back up. 5 more, lower down. Lift up and replace. You've just got 3. Keep squeezing that navel in. Lift up and replace. 2 more here. All the way down, tap. Lift up and replace. 1 more. Tap the toe. Now lift up and hold. Legs go back into that 90-degree angle. Stay right there. Inhale in. Exhale away. Knees over the top of the hips, toes in line with the knees. This should burn here. You've got an isometric hold. So you are toning your muscles even though you are not moving. Now from here, you're going to interlace the fingertips and you're going to send the hands behind the head to support the neck. Sit up, breathe in. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest, lift up to a sit up and then all the way back down towards the floor. Inhale, exhale, chin to chest. Use the hands for support and all the way back down. You want to try to peel your shoulder blades up and away from the floor. Peel them off and drop all the way back down. How high can you get today? How much can you push yourself up for 2? And lower back down for 2. Inhale, exhale, up for 2. Whew. And lower back down for 2. We've got 4 more like this. Squeeze up, lift, press, and all the way back down. You've got it. 3, chin to chest, eye line on your thighs, and drop all the way back down. 2 more here. Inhale, exhale, squeeze, lift up, press, all the way back down. Stick with me. This one you're going to hold. You can so do this, chin to chest. Now lift up, squeeze and hold. Stay right there. This hand is going to come under your thigh. This other hand is going to come underneath your thigh. Now tuck the chin to the chest and you're going to use your arms to get yourself a little bit further up to the thighs. Now squeeze your inner thighs together. Stay right here. Eye line forward. C shape with the spine. You're going to go for a little tiny lift. Lift, lift, lift. So you're peeling head, neck, shoulders away from the floor. I know it's a burner. That modification, you've got your hands underneath your thighs. If you're watching this and you're feeling super strong today, maybe you want to release one hand away. Maybe it's more than once that you've done this workout. Maybe you're watching this a 3rd time. Can you step it up an arch? Bring both hands away and keep pulsing. You are done in 10, 9, feel the burn, 8, 7, well done, 6, keep going, 5, 4 lifts, 3, 2, 1. Well done, draw the knees into the chest. Give yourself a little rock side to side. Then I want you to pop both the feet down towards the floor. Bring the hands, interlace them again, and you're going to send them behind the head. The feet are firmly imprinted. Breathing in. Breathe in, exhale, chin to your chest into a crunch. Scoop head, neck, shoulders off the floor and lower back down again. You should feel this connection in towards your upper abs. Squeeze all the way, lift. All the way lower back down. Inhale. Exhale, chin to chest, squeeze up, lift. Stick with me all the way back down. Now, how far can you get your head, neck, shoulders off? If you can feel this in your neck, bring that eye line, make sure double check it's on your thighs as you lift, lower back down. You don't want to be looking at the ceiling here. You want to be looking right to your thighs and squeeze all the way lower back down. Inhale, nice and slow, up for 2 counts, drop down for 2 counts. We have 8 more of these to go. Squeeze all the way, lift. You can do this, lower back down. You've got just 7 more here. How badly do you want that brand new waistline? All the way, squeeze up and lift. And all the way back down. We've got 5 more here to go. Squeeze up, lift. Can you get those shoulder blades a tiny bit further off the floor? Squeeze all the way up, lift and hold, and drop back down. Make it super controlled. All the way up, squeeze, all the way back down. We have 2 more here. All the way, lift up, press. All the way lower back down. This one you're gonna hold it. Inhale, exhale, chin to chest, now lift. I want you to keep your hands behind the head. Eye line is forward to your thighs. It's burning you too. You should feel this burning sensation in your upper abdominals here. Options, stay here, or one hand goes away. Maybe you've done this workout more than once. Maybe you're feeling strong today. Both hands away, chin to chest modification, hands behind the head. Now let's go. Press the floor away. Push, press, 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 press. I want your shoulder blades to stay off the floor. Stick with me, don't give in. This is the end. You are done here in 10, 9 more presses, 8, let it burn, 7, 6, you've got it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Oh, draw the knees into the chest. Give yourself a little rock side to side. Left to right, left to right. I want you to rock yourself back. Rock yourself all the way up forwards. Bring your feet round in front of yourself. Bring your left hand past the right knee. Grow tall, twist to the side. Back to the center, right hand past your left knee, twist all the way around to the side. And all the way through the middle. Find yourself 1 breath in and exhale. Well done in your beginner ab set today. If you've got any comments, leave me feedback down below. And don't forget, if you want to do another workout after this one, there's thigh focus workouts, there's arm focus workouts. Just go back to my homepage on YouTube and you will find much more on there. Make sure you hit subscribe for more workouts, nutritional advice and special recipes. I'm Gabrielle. I hope you loved the workout. Bye.